Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign up for InvideoAI and register an account step by step. So let's get started. First, you want to open your browser on your PC and go to InvideoAI. Once you're on the page to create your account, you want to go to the top right corner and click on sign up. On this page, you'll see several options. We have here continue with Google, with Apple, or continue with an email ID. So for this instance, let's go ahead and choose continue with Google. So from here, a new pop-up window will appear and just choose your email address. Just go ahead and click continue. There we go. Now from here, just go ahead and complete the details that's being asked. Your full name, workspace name, and your birth year. Then from here, just choose how you plan to use InvideoAI. For example, for content creation, YouTube videos, marketing content, anything that applies to you, then just go ahead and click continue. After completing these steps, you'll be redirected to your InvideoAI dashboard where you can start generating videos using text prompts. That's it. You're now signed up and ready to use InvideoAI. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.